It's Ben Malapile here, back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed, 2.5 bath duplex townhouse for sale in North Riding in a complex called Telford Court. It's listed for 1,050,000 rand. It's got a carport and a garage, and the complex has communal facilities, kids play area, pool, clubhouse, you name it. And it also has its own built-in braai stand. So come on right in and let me show you the property. Okay, so it is a townhouse and is pet friendly. And to the left here we've got the built-in braai area. There's also a communal one as well. So this is the inside. It's an open plan, space for a lounge and space for a dining area as well. So the kitchen has been newly renovated. There's a granite countertop, and then the space for 2 appliances. You can have a top loader and a dishwasher as well. It's your choice. And then outside the kitchen we've got the washing line. The garden actually is a wraparound garden, so you can come out that side as well. So back to the living spaces. This is the lounge, and then to the right here we've got storage, so you can put anything there and then actually close it up. There's actually more storage under the stairs as well, so you can put more of your things there. And then to the right we've got the guest loo. So this is the loo that is used for your guests when they come and visit. Moving on upstairs. So upstairs it has vinyl flooring throughout, whereas downstairs it's tile throughout. And this is the first bedroom. It's currently used as an office, but it still does have the built-in cupboard space that you'll see on your left. And it's pretty spacious. You can fit a double bed here or twin beds. It's up to you. Moving on to the bathroom. This is the shared bathroom. It's a shower over bath and tiled from top to bottom. So now extra linen cupboard space, and then into the main bedroom. So this is the main bedroom. You can fit a queen size bed, as you can see, and then you've got enough cupboard space for his and her clothes. And then you've got the full bathroom. To the left you've got the shower, and to the right you've got the bathtub, and it's also tiled from top to bottom. All right, now let's go outside and let me show you the communal spaces. So this is the kids play area. Kids spend a lot of time here, as you can see, and this is the communal pool which any of the residents are free to use. There's also a tennis court and a basketball court in the complex as well. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the property. If you like the property and interested in it, please click on the link below to schedule your private viewing.